Welcome to this complete tutorial where we will be exploring all the key tools and features available on Supreme Today AI. We'll start with the Ask a Question tool. On the main screen of Supreme Today AI, just below the home icon, you'll find the chat option. Tap on it to access three powerful tools designed to streamline your legal workflow. Ask a question, write a draft, and upload to analyze a case. Let's begin with Ask a Question. Here you can type in any legal question. Supreme Today AI will analyze it using its advanced legal engine and provide a precise, judgment-packed answer. Just above the typing box, you'll find powerful customization tools, response modification settings, judgment scope settings, and various legal research options, all designed to tailor your answer to your specific needs. Before submitting your question, you can customize how the response is delivered. Tap on Modify Response to choose from several formats: key points, answer style, shortest style, longest answer, multi-step law point analyzer. Perfect for complex queries as it examines each legal issue step by step. And deep research for in-depth legal analysis. You'll also see two options: R for reportable judgments and All, which includes both reportable and unreportable judgments. By default, R is selected, but you can switch to All for broader results. If you want the response to be based on decisions from a specific court, simply select the desired court before submitting your question. You can also tailor your result by choosing recent or landmark decisions. If neither is selected, the system will draw from all judgments, from the earliest available to the most recent. Next to that, you'll find strategic tools like strategy, argument, risk, trial, cross-examination. These allow Supreme Today AI to help you with planning strategies, drafting arguments, analyzing risk, preparing for trial, or generating cross-examination questions. If you prefer a more accessible explanation, choose the common option for a simplified, easy-to-understand response. All answers are generated using decisions and statutes from our private legal database. But if you want to expand the source, you can select public sources to include judgments from public legal databases. Now, after generating a response, whether you selected recent, landmark, strategy, or any other option, you may want to explore different angles of the same case. For instance, if you first analyzed a judgment based on recent decisions and later wish to see possible arguments or cross-examination questions, you can do that easily. Just look for the three-line menu icon on the response screen. Tap it, and the previous set of options will pop back up. You can then select any other tool or angle to generate a new response without starting over. And as an added bonus, at the bottom of every response, Supreme Today AI will suggest additional related questions based on your original query. These recommendations can help guide your research further, uncover related issues, and deepen your understanding of the topic. That's how you use the Ask a Question feature in Supreme Today AI. Let's look at the Write a Draft tool in Supreme Today AI. Just like in the Ask a Question tool, you can modify the response based on your drafting requirements. By default, the drafting style is set to normal. But if you want more control over the length or tone, you can switch between standard, longer, shorter. If you're drafting a specific type of document, such as a petition, agreement, or something simplified, you can choose the appropriate format like petition or common. If you want the draft to follow your own format or layout, you can add your custom performer. You have two options: upload file to upload your performer directly, add performer manually to copy and paste your format into the space provided. Supreme Today AI will follow your structure to create the draft. You can also choose to include case law. Simply tick the Include Case Law option and the software will automatically find and insert relevant judgments into the draft. If you've already selected case laws, you can pull those from your saved case law list. How to manage and save case laws will be explained in the judgment section later. Once the draft is generated, if you need to make any changes or additions, you can open it in the editor built into the software. This allows you to customize the draft further. The editor and its features will be later explained in a tutorial. You can also add party details, names, or any other case-specific information directly within the editor. Or, if you prefer, you can simply copy the entire draft and paste it into your own Word file or any external document editor, where you can make the final corrections and adjustments as needed. That's the Write a Draft feature in Supreme Today AI. Let's look at the Upload to Analyze a Case tool in Supreme Today AI. This tool allows you to upload a file or even multiple files that you want the software to analyze or compare. Once uploaded, the software reads through the content and provides responses based on the command or query you enter. For instance, you may want to create a summary, generate a detailed transcript, draft a reply to a notice, or prepare a petition based on the content in the document. Whatever your requirement, simply upload the file in a supported format, such as Word or PDF, ensuring the document is clear and readable. After that, Supreme Today AI will analyze the file and provide an accurate response as per your instruction. You also have the option to copy and paste the content into the provided text box instead of uploading. This is useful if your material is already in an editable format. Just enter your command like summarize, draft reply, or prepare petition, and the system will do the rest. This is the Upload to Analyze a Case tool. Let's now look at the Editor tool in Supreme Today AI. Once you're in the Editor tab, you can begin in one of three ways. Click on New Editor to open a blank page and type or paste your own content. Click on Upload File to bring in an existing document like a PDF or Word file. Or use the mic button to start speaking. Supreme Today AI will instantly convert your voice to text using speech-to-text technology. You can dictate in English or choose from a range of Indian regional languages like Malayalam, Tamil, and more. Once your content, whether typed, pasted, uploaded, or dictated, is inside the editor, you can begin refining it using a variety of smart features. These include options to improve writing, make shorter, make longer, simplify language, and more. You can also adjust the tone of the content with a single tap. Choose from professional, casual, friendly, and other tones based on your need. Similarly, switch the style to formats like legal, business, or other professional writing styles. If you want to generate a full draft from a short input, just type your brief content in the space provided, click on the AI assistant, and give it a command. For example, you can enter a few key details about a commissioner's visit. Then ask the AI assistant to generate a commissioner's report, and it will expand your input into a complete draft. This makes it incredibly easy to turn bullet points or bare facts into fully formatted documents in just seconds. In addition to these, the editor also supports translation between English and various Indian languages, formatting options like bold, italic, underline, and proper alignment. Once you're happy with your content, you can save it within the software using the Save function. All your saved files will be visible on the left-hand side, so you can return to them later, make changes, or continue working from where you left off. You can also export your content at any stage, whether it's right after dictating or after applying changes. Just click the export icon to download your work as a PDF or Word document, depending on your preference. This gives you the flexibility to continue editing in Word or share the final version right away. The Editor tool in Supreme Today AI gives you the flexibility to dictate, upload, or paste content, and then refine, rewrite, or translate it all in one place. Let's look at the Advanced Search tool in Supreme Today AI. This is the Advanced Search tool. By default, it opens in the Judgment tab, where you can search for judgments using specific keywords, multiple words, or phrases, and even by acts and sections, allowing you to search across multiple statutes. In addition to this, you can search by citation, publisher-wise. You can also search using party names, judges' names, advocate names, or case numbers. You can use any of these options individually or combine multiple options for more precise and accurate results, depending on what you're looking for. For example, if you're searching for judgments related to specific performance of contract, enter the phrase in the first field, the free text box. To search for an exact phrase, make sure to put it inside quotation marks, like this. You can add multiple keywords by simply entering a space and continuing to type. If you'd like to search based solely on these terms, you can proceed by clicking the search icon. To narrow your results by statute, you can select one or even multiple acts and sections. For instance, under the Transfer of Property Act or any other relevant legislation, before performing the search. Additionally, if you're interested in judgments published in a specific journal, such as AIR, ILR, or SCC, you can select the appropriate citation from the list. If you have specific details, you can include any or all of these to further refine your search. However, it's not mandatory to fill in every field. Let's say you're looking for any privacy-related case where Union of India was a party. This is helpful when you remember a party, but not the exact case title. Combine it with your keyword, and the software does the searching for you. Even a single piece of information is enough to initiate a search using Supreme Today AI's Advanced Search.
Now, after judgments, along the top, you'll also see other options as well. Acts, commentary, short commentary, and circulars and notifications. Let's start with Acts. Once you select the Acts tab,
here you'll find the full text of both central and state statutes covering major legislations like the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita or BNSS, along with others such as CPC, TPA, NI Act, etc.
Let's select BNSS as an example. Once opened, you'll see all the sections. Sections that has live commentary available will appear highlighted in blue. Simply click on a highlighted section, say Section 2, and the software will generate a live commentary using its legal AI engine. This commentary connects the BEAR Act to real, recent judgments from the Honorable Supreme Court and various high courts, offering case-based interpretation for each section. At the bottom, you can also see related judgments displayed. It's automatically curated to provide legal clarity, judgment support, and deeper understanding. You can also click the AI Assistant button at the top of the page. This opens a side panel that shows key points of the Act automatically and lets you ask questions about the Act or any specific section, instantly answered using AI trained on authoritative legal sources. Now let's move to the Commentary tab. Once you open it, you'll see a list of major legal commentaries. Select any one to get started. Inside, you'll see the sections laid out just like in the Acts tab. Tap on any section to open its expert-written commentary, including detailed insights, statutory analysis, and supporting case law where relevant. These commentaries are written by leading legal authors and offer valuable practical understanding of how the law is applied. Next is the Short Commentary tab. This section gives you condensed versions of the same legal commentary. Ideal when you're short on time and need a quicker overview of a section or concept. Finally, we have the Circulars and Notifications tab. In this tab, we've provided access to official circulars, government gazette notifications, and a variety of important documents and updates to keep you informed. You can search by keyword or select the year to filter results.
This walkthrough. In this video, we've covered the Ask the Question tool, Draft tool, Upload Case feature, the editor, as well as how to use Acts, live commentary, and circulars and notifications. We hope this tutorial helps you navigate the platform more confidently and make the most out of its features. Contact this number for further assistance.